Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and here let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now you can either tap on Clear Browsing Data and you will remove some basic data, I would say, or simply enter the history. And this is the list of all previously visited websites. You can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. But if you want to remove more browsing history, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And there we've got some basic and advanced options. Those which are marked right now can be removed with this previous option after tapping on the three dots icon, so Clear Browsing Data, like browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. And here we've got advanced sections, so you can remove also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, and I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. So let's simply tap on the option you'd like to use and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.